What's up, Glammies? It's your girl Morgan, aka Morgs Too Much, and welcome back to All the More Glam TV. I am in my unfinished suite, y'all, and this is the absolute last day of this hideously blue wall. I hate it. Oh, I hate it so much. So the painters coming in the morning. I came up here to get everything moved out the way. It's my absolute favorite season. Fall officially, everything's changing and it looks so beautiful. But like, I just really like how you can dress when it's cold outside, and just all the things that happen is the holidays, and it's just everyone feels all fluffy and lovey and just extra giving. And I have a list of stuff that I want to do for the fall that I'm here to share with you guys. I don't know about y'all, but I'm tapping into my big kid vibes this fall. Like, I really want to celebrate the holiday. I've concluded the things on this list. First and foremost, I have found a corn maze and pumpkin patch. I haven't been to a pumpkin patch since like maybe literally elementary school, maybe middle school, whenever the last field trip was. That was the last time I've taken my big grown ass to a pumpkin patch or a corn maze. But this year I am changing that. Not only am I going to go to the pumpkin patch, I'm going to get me a pumpkin, I'm going to carve it, I'm going to have me a gay old time, okay? I am also going to take myself to I really lost my list, y'all, so I'm kind of like trying to go off the top of my head of stuff that I remember I said that I wanted to do. I know I want to go to a haunted house with my scary stuff. Like, granted, I am very I'm gonna be so scared and jumpy, but so what? Now, I'm not trying to be scared, like literally scared. I just want to be a little a little ooh, a little running, and that's it. Like, I'm not trying to be OD having nightmares. Like, that's not the life for me. It's just not. I even want to go to Fright Fest at Six Flags. Honestly, I told y'all in my last vlog, like, I have been dying to get on some roller coasters. Fingers crossed I get to Orlando before the end of the year, because if I do, I'm going to Universal Studios so I can go to Hogwarts and really tap into my Halloween vibe. 'Tis the season, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just really want to feel fall-like. I want to take a trip to the cabins. I haven't done that in years. My homegirl and I, like, we went with a group of friends like maybe 2 or 3 years ago, and it was so much fun, which means it's time to rent a bike. And now is the time, because it's getting cold. Get a little chocolate for some s'mores and a hot tub and some liquor, because you can't go to a cabin without no liquor, child. And games, you got to have your games. So if you're in Atlanta or if you're in Georgia or wherever, the fairs are coming. So I know the Georgia State Fair comes October 1st. But then the National Georgia Fair comes later on in October, and that's the one I'm pressed for. I'm going to be a big kid. I want all the carnival food. I want to ride all the carnival games. I'm going to play all the carnival games, ride all the carnival rides. Just carnivals in the fall are just different. Fall festivals, it just gives you an overall different vibe that you just can't find nowhere else. Y'all, I'm not lying. What else do I want to do in October? Y'all already know all the scary movies. Halloween Town. I'm gonna have a Halloween Town watch night. I want to watch all the scary movies. I want to have a bonfire with my friends. I feel like these are things that any and everyone could be doing to celebrate fall. If you're a fall head like me, or if you just really love the holiday season, like, drop some stuff that you're gonna do with your friends and family. I cannot believe I lost the rest of my notes to tell y'all. It's just so much to do in the fall. So much. So stay tuned. Make sure you stick around. I have some hauls coming up for y'all. We're gonna be outside. We're gonna knock off some stuff from this bucket list. I'm gonna take y'all with me, and we're gonna enjoy the season together. Happy Monday. It is Monday, October 4th, and I am late with the vlogging, but y'all, so many wonderful things have been occurring in my life, so I've just like been so all over the place. But today I'm taking a step back, and then it's going to be a maintenance Monday. So yesterday I got my eyebrows waxed. Y'all can already see my hair is done. And I got my lip wax as well. But today, y'all, amidst everything else that we're going to be doing, I'm going to be getting my very first Brazilian wax. Now, keep y'all comments to yourself and keep them real cute, because no, I've not been a wax girl. I've been a nair and a razor girl. But in this season of newness, I am about to go get a wax, and I have some other errands I'm going to run, and I'm going to take y'all with me because we are so overdue for some cutie, you know? So let's go. As a wax virgin, I did ask my closest friends and my cousin, like, where should I go? So we're going to go to the European Wax Center, to the Apple store, because your girl lost the AirPod. And I always said I was never going to be that girl. I was never going to be that girl to lose the AirPod, but I did. And not only did I lose the AirPod, I broke my at-home charger. And y'all know the charger that is like never supposed to leave home, the supercharging charger, I had been taking it out the house, and lo and behold, it broke. Like the charger cord part broke off in like the bottom of my phone. So while we're out here, we're gonna go to Lenox, swing by Apple, get a new AirPod, get a new charger, get a new bikini line with this wax. And yeah, I have a lot of things I actually need to do today. First stop, Lenox Mall. Hopefully we can be in and out of here because I need to stay on task today. On task. Check. New charger, check. About to buy an iPad today, check. I always see, it never fails. I come in the mall with specific reason, with specific purchase, and still end up finding and falling for everything and anything that is not what I came for. But all is well, because I did get the most important stuff done. So now it's time for us to head to Ulta, and I'm just feeling really good. Monday is being very productive for me, and I love that for us. Day, I got free gifts at Ulta. I got this beautiful new fragrance. I cannot wait to show y'all. I'm gonna do a full like Ulta unpacking, unboxing, to show y'all everything that I got. Now it is time. The time has come for us to mosey on over to the Brazilian wax place. I'm so excited and nervous. Y'all just really having a good day. Look at me, my bag of gifts. I can't wait to show y'all. Okay, y'all know this is my first time even being about this wax life. Pray for your girl. Wow, and my first wax is gonna be free, y'all. Okay. We're doing this, guys. Raven is going to be my waxer. She's coming to get me shortly. That was great. Y'all, now granted, they say waxing is painful, but on a scale of 1 to 10, I give it like a 6. It really wasn't all that painful, or maybe I just have a high pain tolerance. But Raven got me in and out of there in like 15 minutes. I have my goodies to keep up until I come back on the 1st. And I'm a new woman. It's time to go to Starbucks. All right, guys. Time for me to figure out what color is going on these toes and these nails. Say hey, Kate. This is the best nail tech. If you ever come to Spontaneous Nails, ask for Kate. She don't work on weekends, y'all know. So do y'all know. I am torn between this color and this color. Okay, Glammies, so we have made it back to the house, and it is time to reveal our goodies. I first want to show y'all what I got from the wax place. As y'all know, it's my first time, and so I wanted to ensure I have everything that I need for my proper upkeep. So I have the Treat Ingrown Hair Serum from EWC, which is where I went. It gives me the European Wax Center, and it treats, smooths, and prevents to keep skin bump free between waxes with our Secret Weapon Serum. And then I also got the Slow Body Polish with Ingrown Hair Minimizer and Aloe to keep skin soft and smooth. On to our Ulta goodies. So I'm gonna say what I personally think is the best, or what I'm most excited about for last. So I'm running through makeup like crazy, y'all. Like, I really am. So I had to get some new concealer. Well, that's the new concealer, but I had to restock on concealer. And y'all would not believe, I've been to so many stores and it's taking me so long to find this concealer. So I got the Walnut, Neutral, and Tan Latte shades, and they're all in tan. I'm sorry. So I got the Tan Walnut, the Tan Neutral, and the Tan Latte. These have been so hard to find, you guys, but they are not near as hard to find as these Tarte what are these? The Tarte Shape Tape concealers. First of all, so I've been to 2 Ultas, like 3 Walmart, so it took me like so many stores to find these. These are like the dupes for these, and I can't even find these in the proper shades nor in the full sizes either. So I just got what I could, which was the tan deep sand. I grabbed the tan sand, and then I also grabbed the regular deep. These aren't even my immediate ones that I wanted to get, but building a kit and just familiarizing myself with the brand, why not? But again, the e.l.f. is an amazing and affordable dupe for these. I think the travel size ones that I got were only like $10, and these are like $6, I believe, or $7, somewhere around there. I also needed to get some brush cleaner because y'all, your girl has been, the brushes, I have like about 100 brushes now. So I definitely, when I was doing the wedding, I did my first wedding this past weekend, y'all. It was absolutely amazing. So BLINKMORGGLAM is now accepting wedding and bridal party bookings. Check me out. But I needed to get some brush cleaner, so I got the Brush Bath Purifying Cleaner Spray. I already have a bottle of this, but it's about gone, which is why I need to get a secondary bottle. But I also grabbed the purifying solid brush bar, and it comes like with this little small little bar. It's actually really small, not this big. So I just really like how this works, and I really like how it smells, so I feel like the bar soap should be just as efficient. I also got my ooh, y'all, I thought it wasn't in there. I was about to panic. I love using Brow Wiz from Anastasia, and I have my collection, but I needed to, of course, still building my kit. I got the color Granite and the Brow Wiz to add to the kit. Y'all know one thing about, well, y'all know your girl, if I'm testing something, I'm going to grab a sample of it. Well, and most times if I can. I've been so back and forth with this perfume. I asked my homegirl to grab it for me for Christmas. She got me the wrong one. It wasn't even the right name or nothing. Like, it was a totally off-brand perfume. Anyway, and then I went to go get it, and when I went to go get it, I ended up falling in love with another smell that I loved even more. So now I was just like, let me at least get it in a small size just to see how I really truly feel about it. And I think I like it still. I really think I do. Ooh, got on my nose. But I'm just gonna have to wear it again and see how it mixes with my skin. And this is the Good Girl by Carolina Herrera, the original one, not the any other one. This is the OG. For my birthday gift from Ulta is a free birthday glow. And this is the Clinique Moisturizer Surge 100H, which is the auto replenishing hydrate. Auto replenish. I be fumbling over my words so bad, y'all. Auto replenishing hydrator. Okay, that's what it is. And it's so cute and small. I'm not really all that familiar with Clinique products. Y'all know I do Urban Skin RX only. But I'm not mad at this. And it has this cute little thing. I feel like it should smell like cake or something because it comes in that cute little packaging. Doesn't smell like cake, but I mean, we'll see. And last but not least in the collection, y'all, getting my fragrance game together. I told y'all this is my year. I have my first KKW fragrance. So I haven't even opened it, so I'm opening it with y'all. Oh, I have to show y'all this. Yes, Kimberly. Giving. So sexy. It took me entirely too long to figure out how to get this off, but yes. I love it. I love it. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. I just had the most amazing self-care day, and I'm so happy that we finally got some time in. I missed y'all. I have another vlog coming very soon, I promise y'all, so stick around for that. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys next time.